Hi fam, welcome back to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online. And in this video I'm going to be making a review and showing you an app that you can actually download to your mobile devices, and you begin to make money online by participating in surveys, in playing games, in doing other offers and other tasks which I'm going to be sharing in this video. This app is known as Grabpoints. I'm going to go ahead to make a review. And it should be noted that this app is available worldwide. It is available in all countries. The only difference is that there are more opportunities in some countries than others. But you can actually sign up for an account with Grabpoints and you begin to make money online by doing the different tasks that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And before I go ahead to share my screen with you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure you do so by hitting on that red subscribe button below this video, and also hit the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up, you will be the first to be notified. I'm going to put my referral link in the description box below. If you sign up with my referral link, you are going to make an extra 1,000 points. Unlike if you just sign up to the platform without using a referral link, you won't be able to make any points. So make sure you check my referral link in the description box below. And when you click on my referral link, it will lead you to this section right here. So as you can see, this is Grabpoints. So when you click on my referral link, it's going to lead you to this page. As you can see here, they say earn free cash and gift cards by taking surveys and other tasks. So they say join millions of users and make money by just watching videos, taking surveys, playing games and more. So you can sign up using your Facebook account, or you can sign up using your Google account. I'm going to sign in using my Google account. It will lead you to this section, and as you can see on the right hand side of your screen right here, you see 1,190 points. I have 1,190 points right here in my account, and you can see these are different opportunities that you can participate in. On the end section, as you can see, 449 points for 13 minutes, it will make you 45 cents. 12 minutes, you make $1.28. As you can see right here, you equally have offers. As you can see, earn $11 by downloading this game and making this number of points to get these dollars. These are different games that you can actually participate in. You can actually download to your phone, download to your device, and you begin to make money. What you need to do is that when you click on any of the apps right here, the games, it will take you to Google Play Store. Then you download it. From when you download it, you sign up and you begin to play games. The points will be credited directly on this particular platform. As you can see, this is 1.14 cents for 1,141 points after playing these games. So these are different games that you can actually download and you begin to participate in. You download directly from your App Store or from your Google Play Store, and you begin to play the games and you make points. Then this is another way to earn offer wars. Under offer wars, we have different types of offer wars. As you can see right here, I'm going to take one, for example, time war, and click on time war. When I click on time war, as you can see right here, you will see that I have 56 points. This is time war right here. If you don't have an account with time war, when you click on time war, it will lead you to the section to sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, you come here and there are different tasks and offers that you have here. For example, clicks. you can click on clicks. When you click on clicks, you see different offers that require you to click on links, and you view for seconds and you make points. So here I've already participated in the different tasks that are available by clicking links right here. As you can see, I have 56 points, which is equivalent to 4 points in this app. I can equally participate in surveys. As you can see, this is one survey that is available right here. So I can click on the survey and I participate on the survey, as well as offers. When you click on offers, you can see on your screen there are different type of offers and so on. So going back to the Grabpoint app, you can see Hideout TV right here. I don't actually have this offer available in my country, Hideout TV and Load TV. Clicking on Lootably, for example, it will open up to the section where you have different apps and games that you can download to your mobile phone, to your mobile devices, and you begin to participate. For example, as you can see right here, these are different apps. This is 3,900 points. You need to download Binance. You verify your identity, you make a deposit, and you make a trade of a minimum of $2.5, and you confirm within 48 hours in order to make 3,900 points, should in case you don't have Binance in your phone. We have Harvest Land here for both iPhone and iPad, in which you need to play to level 16 to make 232 points. As you can see, these are other apps that you can actually download to your mobile devices, and you begin to participate in games in different apps. This is World of Warships. You can download it to your phone, to your devices, and so on. Here, when you click on desktop, it's going to show you all the different apps that are available for desktop, all selected here. Shopping, there is no item for shopping. As you can see, one click. Here we have Time Wars, which I already illustrated below, where you just need to click. Then here, apps. Here they will differentiate the apps based on the Android and the iPhone. Right here, all you need to do is just to scroll down, and you see for yourself the different apps that are available for both iPad, iPhone, and Android. And you go ahead and you download, and you begin to participate in the different tasks such as games, surveys, quiz, and so on. Then including purchases. What are the tasks that you need to perform by doing purchases? You see it right here. So these are the different tasks available, like Binance, Bit Online, and so on. These are all tasks that you need to do to earn points by doing purchases, as you can see on your screen, which is under Lootably right here. So as you can see, these are the different tasks. You can go ahead and click the other offers and futures that are available to see the different earning opportunities that you can participate in your country in order to make money. When you click on leaderboard, you are going to see the top earners on this platform for the past 30 days, as you can see on your screen. This is the number of people and the corresponding points with the relative countries that they have actually have the highest point on this platform for the past 30 days. As you can see right here, you can see Germany, America, Canada, and so on. Then when you click, this is for the past 7 days, you see the people that have actually made money on this platform, or that have made the highest point on this platform. Then when you click on yesterday, you are going to see equally the number of people, their names, their countries, and the corresponding points. Here you can see South Africa, India, Canada, America, Malaysia, and other countries. So you see you see the flag of the country, the name of the users, and the corresponding points beside, as you can see right here. So this is the leaders board. Concerning referrals, as I earlier mentioned that I'm going to leave my referral link in the description box below. If you sign up using my referral link, you'll be able to make extra 1,000 points. As you can see, this is my referral link here. Just check this link in the description box below. Then you sign up with my referral link and make extra 1,000 points. Then when you click on rewards, you see how to cash out your money. As you can see here, we have e-reward, which is a Visa card. But in other countries, there are other payment methods like PayPal and all the like. But in my country, I have only this Visa card right here. A Visa gift card right here, which I can go ahead and redeem. As you can see, I have 1,190 points. It's left with 810 points for me to be able to cash out $2. These are different cash out threshold that you need. For example, 2,000 points is $2, 3,000 points is $3, 4,000 points is $4, respectively. Up to 200,000 points equals to 200 points right here. So if I want to cash out 2,000 points right here, I will need an extra 810 points to add to the points that I already have in order to cash out $2, which I can use this Visa card to do my purchases online and whatsoever. As you can see, I still have 1,190 points. So I'm going to do more of the tasks that are available on this site in order to make a payment proof video. I hope you consider joining this platform in order to make money online. And also, if the video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel by smashing on that red subscribe button and the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video on this channel, you will be the first to be notified.